Welcome to Charity Builds, where you ask, I build, they receive. The story on this build takes us to North Africa, Morocco to be exact. A buddy of mine had a couple of pallets and wanted to turn them into a couch base for traditional Moroccan seating called Sddari. I hope I said that right. Basically, it's a low couch base decked out with beautiful Moroccan trim in a thick foam wrapped in beautiful handmade casings and accessorized with colorful pillows. Because the build started with pallets, I had to do a little bit of legwork to square things up and reinforce it before going any further. Over the next few clips, you'll see me cut down one of the pallets and also create an addition to the other pallet. I also had to add an armrest to one end of each pallet, making sure it was integrated properly and to ensure that it was plenty strong. With a little bit of creativity, a lot of glue and screws, I was able to create a proper foundation. Because of the nature of this build, this isn't a tutorial, but more so an inspiration to create. Speaking of inspiration, helping others has inspired me to find different ways to help raise funds for the less fortunate. If you're familiar with my content, then you know why charity builds. But for those who are new, I use my hobby as a creator to raise funds for a nonprofit organization I founded over 3 years ago. Every build is special because the proceeds are donated to help lift those who are living in poverty in a tiny country in West Africa called the Gambia. This particular build raised over $300 to go towards helping start a small-scale poultry farm. When you watch, share, comment, like my videos, and subscribe, you really validate my efforts, and I'm truly grateful for that. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so to follow my journey. I hope to have follow-up videos to show how we are impacting the lives of those who are less fortunate. As I mentioned earlier, this will not be a step-by-step video, so I'll let you enjoy the process and hopefully you're inspired to build.